Hold on, it's stuck on my hand right there. Sorry guys. Okay, it's sticky though, so be careful. Evenly, and 15 seconds. I had the little fur that I didn't invite it here, so I'm gonna move it. Hope everyone have a great Thursday. How was your Thursday? I'm just excited, it's like, to be in this time, because it's like we're gonna have so much fun to doing some fun nails here. All right, so we're gonna do is using this chrome. That's a lot of you are asking what color it is, and what the name of it. I'm gonna show you what it is. I don't remember. We have like over 10 different colors. So I want to find out the right name for it for you, okay? I've been using it quite. Pinky purple. All right. So I'm gonna do this really pigmented. I really like it. It looks like it's really dark in Instagram though. This one will be lighter than mine because I did a lighter color. How many seconds did you cure? 18. Oh, I did too much. I just want to have a little bit ombre on this, because I am going to recreate the look of my nails. And everybody have a different way to do the ombres for the chrome. I have a different way. This is one of my way, or you can have the big sponge that you see you doing a makeup, and then you can use that as well. But I'm not like really worried about it's perfect ombre, because I'm gonna put crystal on it. And weaver gels. Okay. This one is here. Give me the alcohol, the piece of alcohol. I don't think I got here for 15 seconds. So got it. When I have it like this happen, here I'm gonna show you something. It happens always because if I don't press it on. I'm gonna use the alcohol and wipe it off. Good. There you go. Did you see I just did? Hello, Livras, how are you? Did you see that's what I just did? If you have that issue, troubleshooting with the chromes, and even I keep it for 15 seconds, but it's had too much of, it's so smooth and so slick, it doesn't grip. So I just use the alcohol and I just wipe completely off. So it gives me a really nice grip now. I even like it so much better. So if you have that troubleshooting, that's what you can use. The same as what I just shared with you. Hello, Libras, how are you? Hope you have a great Thursday. The lighting? Okay. That's all I need. I don't want more. If you want more, you can. That's all I want. I kind of want it, but I don't want to be too high because I want to do crystal in there. Using my unicorns brush. And I am going to using a weaver gel. I have my really is just handmade 4 toothpick together. The nails yesterday? No, it was a set.
Where is that at?
Ali set. So pick them up if you want to be a little bit thicker. Hold on, it's something stuck on my, I get a piece of paper. Wipe it off. If you feel like you don't want to pick that, wipe it right off, okay? Don't have to settle with that when you don't like it. I picked a different one. Hope you can see it because I can see really well from my side, but I hope you can see it well. And I crock some. You can crock some more if you want to. I love these cool techniques because I can get so many stripes at one time, like at least 4, you know. Great. If I'm happy with this, cure under the lamp for about 60 seconds. Just that. Handmade. It doesn't look attractive, but hey, it works really well. I'm just wipe it off so I can see, show you. Sometimes I do for clients, I do 5 of them, put it together, just using a Scotch tape and tape them. Just some pro tips or tip and tricks. So then that way you can't able to do like, you can do with any colors. You can do with gel paint. You can do with any colors. I have silver here, white. You can use it any. It works perfect with any. Again, it is pinky purple. This one, that's the one I have. My nails literally is going to be 2 weeks. You see me, seeing that I have it 2 weeks on my nails. And I'm really hard on my nails as well. And these last really good. Which is, I am really honored and so excited to get to share with you that techniques, how you can able to prep the nails and get your nails really nice and last so long without liftings or it looks like I've just got it done. So I'm going to, next I am going to apply the crystal placement. I'm gonna using my condensed glue gel. Oh, I got it. And it's really stunning about this is so thick density, which is supposed to be like that because it will keep your crystal from flat back, smallest size Diamond Dust Pixie to the biggest size and 3D crystal as well as charm and chains. So you can do flat back or you can do it 3D. Don't afraid to completely like blend it nicely. Who's is asking me if I showing the technique doing my nails? Here is a preference for you as well. my crystal picker. Hold on. Where my nice piece of let me see. I really want to create that. Can I get I'm looking for my Easter egg bag. Did I get it?
No, just one.
Okay, good. It's okay. I get this one. Here's one of really nice piece that I really like. Oh. I know everyone, I'm like having a hard time. Should I do really nice stunning piece? Hold on. No wet top coat. Sorry everyone, it's just like everything is going to different places now. And I can't find it. If you accidentally happen like this, totally fine. Just pick it up and put the no wipe top coat. And pick up that tribal and put it on. Have you ever had that happen like what I had it before? I had like 3 crazy things going on. My chrome doesn't stick on even I did it for 15 seconds. And now I picked the crystal or the charms. I said, hold on, I think I missed something. But it's okay. It's not gonna stop me from not showing you. Like, I'm not gonna give up to not showing you a beautiful design today. Take a deep breath and we can still have fun with the live video. Welcome to our live video. Thank you everyone for tuning in today. Thank you for bear with me and be patient. Okay, so this one, an option you can do gold beads. I just want to add some on. Or you can add silver bead or obsidian. I think this one you can pull it off with obsidian or gold. It's really nice. Give it some contrast for it. However, it's really depend on what you want. You can do a tribal design like this, or you can do a crystal. This one I think it looks good too, you know. Right here. Great. It's exactly mine. But I am going to put some crystal AB, SS3, randomly wherever you would like. Yes, thank you. It looks so dark in here. Or maybe because me looking at looks stunning. If you're happy with this, cure under the lamp for about 60 seconds. Stay tuned with me. There's gonna be fun designs going on and a little bit. I have a lot of crystal. Where is that? I just spilled the SF3 right here too. Hope everyone have a great Thursday. Hey, Black Swan Beauty, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Vicky. Hi, Zoe. Oh, thanks so much, Vicky. For tuning in. Marisol, hello, Vicky. I didn't realize that you were watching on Facebook. I was waiting for you to tune in on Instagram. Oh, my birthday? My birthday was good. So, thank you so much for asking. I am going to using precision glue. And this is gonna be your crystal bestie. This is one of the steps in the 3-step methods to double secure crystal. Like you already, if you are using normally or regularly, you should be done with this. But now in order to like really super double secure for the clients, my clients especially love this. They was like, saying we have this, they were so thrilled. There was not even heritage went crazy bling on their nails. I say crazy, I mean like you mean it, like whole entire nails without heritage, and it will last them good until they see us again like 4 weeks later. They still on their nails growing out. It doesn't look attractive, but the crystal still staying on. We have a lot of picture from them. Like they say, oh my God, Nancy, I'll even take a picture for you. They will last so nice. They're not even catching on anything. I just using just a quick tip and trick that if you don't worry when you doing a little bit exam and checking on all that is cracks, edges, or gap. If you feel anything was scratchy, you're gonna go ahead and fill it in. With the little crystal, it's really rare it's happen, but it does sometimes because sometimes clients and client nails or when you're building a C curve, it's not flat than you're expecting because you have to have a nice C curve and apex. So just using a twin tip brush and blend this the extras precision glue, so then it's when you cure it, it's gonna look so nice and flawless. Great, so I am happy with this. I am going to cure it under the LED lamp for 60 seconds and it's now completely done. See, it's so simple, right? You did 3 different technique in here on one nails for clients. You did chromes on the nails and then you did chromes ombre. It's not like 100% like chrome ombre. It even looks stunning. And then you did weaver gel designs on it, and then you did crystal placement. So I don't know how much is you would charge that design on the client's nails, but on that designs in our salon will be start from $15 per nails on the top of the new set of they getting done. So it's really depend on salon location, and it depends on really is if you do customized set, their price might be different, you know. So just a preference, just for your preference. But also, do you do you have any idea at your salon if you doing that design, how much would you charge for that? I really want to hear from anyone because good.